out there, my daddy, my mommy, my brother, my sisters, everybody around the world, all the viewers around the globe, I greet you. This is your boy, Anyogbayi Bata. Àwa là ń lùlù, ìlù dákun má lù wá, ọba ló ń fi ṣẹ́ yín ni. We are the one that play drum. Drum, please don't beat us. God is the only one that crown the efforts of someone. Àwa là ń lùlù now, ìlù dákun má lù wá, ọba ló ń fi ṣẹ́ yín ni. Àwa là ń lùlù. You could remember in the previous edition, I told you that every time, every hour, every day, I will be bringing onto you different editions, different training, varieties of training rather, like teaching on drums, various drums, teachings on language, English language, Yoruba language, teachings on culture and tradition. I told you many things I will be bringing onto your view. Now today we are at it. Please sit back as we bring unto you one of those things that we will be bringing unto you. But first and foremost, we acknowledge, we pay homage to the forefathers, our forefathers, the originator of all these things, all the drums we have in Africa. They are the originators. We pay homage and acknowledgement unto them all. The show of whose we are putting on. My people, stay back, stand by. I mean, sit back and enjoy us. Yeah, welcome back, my people. Before we move on, all the list of Yoruba drums we have in this society. And then, first and foremost, before we go, let me quickly correct you on something. Some people are fond of calling this drum talking drum, and that is one of the errors most of the people commit. I want to tell you verbally as a bona fide son in this field, a bona fide son of a talking drummer as well, an icon in the art of drumming. I am Anyogbayi Bata, the son of Ayantunji Akanbi Ayan. I want to tell you that this is not the only talking drum we have in Africa. And I want to tell you, virtually all African drums are talking drums. That is point number one. Virtually all African drums are what? Talking drum. For example, when I begin to mention them one by one, you will see what I mean. Thank you very much. Number one, we have Bedu talking drum, but I will call it Bedu Yoruba talking drum. I'm coming there. Extensively, I will unveil some secrets on that drum as well. But let me first of all mention the names. Another one is Igbi Yoruba talking drum. Another one is Agere Yoruba talking drum. We have Ipesi Yoruba talking drum. We have Bata Yoruba talking drum. We have Dundun Yoruba talking drum. And we have Akuba Yoruba talking drum as well. We have Shakara talking drum. Shakara Yoruba talking drum. We have Shekere Yoruba talking drum. We have many other ones, Ogido and the likes. In fact, let me tell you, Akuba is the same thing as Ogido. It's either to say Akuba talking drum or Ogido Yoruba talking drum. Sit tight, sit back, I'm still coming. Welcome back, my people out there. Now, as I've said the other time, today I will be talking on familiar activities in drumming art. Familiar activities in drumming art. And that is what we are going to be saying, to be discussing today. What are those things we do? If you belong to the family of Ayan, or if you are bona fide son of Iron Icon, or you have the Iron Stick license. you see another language now. Iron Stick license. You know we have poetic license, as we have it for those literary, now. We still have Iron Stick license. If you are a bona fide son of Iron from the Iron family, then you are supposed to have Iron Stick license. That is, if you have the skill. Not those people that have the name alone. Not like that. It goes beyond that. My people, activities or familiar activities in drumming art. Yes, familiar activities in drumming art. After the making of a drum, or after you might have prepared your drum to the final stage, what is that thing? What is the basic word you are supposed to first of all call from your drum? Let's go there. What we say is Àyàngalú ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́. You first of all say greet that àyàn which you just finished, to know the production, to know whether it has given you the desired result. You say Àyàngalú ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́, Sọ̀ngọ̀bì amúnijẹun aláhùn, amúnijẹ̀fà tá ò jẹ rí, amúniṣàlùbáríkà nílé bàbá ẹni, máa ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́. Can I play that one for you on my bata? Let me quickly do that. Now this is my bata inherited from my forefathers. Àyàngalú ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́, Sọ̀ngọ̀bì amúnijẹun aláhùn, amúnijẹ̀fà tá ò jẹ rí, amúniṣàlùbáríkà nílé bàbá ẹni, máa ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́. That is, Àyàngalú, be careful, Àyàngalú, welcome. Amúnijẹun ahun, and you know now, he that makes you eat from the person, what do we call it now? Ahun now, you know now. Ahun now. Somebody that cannot give you something free of charge now. So and will make you eat from that person. That is the meaning. Àyàngalú amúnijẹun ahun, amúnijẹ̀fà. Ìfà tó tí jẹ rí. You have never eaten with the kings. You have never eaten with the president or the governors. But this one will make you eat with them. Will make you wine and dine with them. Amúnijẹ̀fà tá ò jẹ rí, amúniṣàlùbáríkà. It will give you fortune, good fortune. That is the meaning. So let me quickly run it again. First of all, say Ìbà Àyàngalú. After that, you move on to another activity in drumming art. When we are set to go out on gigging, you know the meaning of gigging. When we are set to go, or Odelu now, we are set to go on outing. That occasion we are preparing to go. You know, the Ayans, they have ways of calling their children together. Some people may be maybe in the next compound, or someone might have gone to the farm. So they will use this ayan or ilu to call the person, and being skilled in that art, in such art, the person will hear his name like Ayansola. If the person is Ayansola, say Ayansola Iwoda, Sare Tete wá ọ̀ àyàngbáyì ìwọ́dà sáré tètè wá àfárá nìjà ẹkùn ilẹ̀ ń ṣú lọ ìwọ́dà sáré tètè wá, and this is it. Àyànṣọlá ìwọ́dà sáré tètè wá àfárá nìjà ẹkùn ilẹ̀ ń ṣú lọ. Àyànṣọlá will hear his name from afar and rush to where the drum is being played, and that is how they call us together to get set for an outing in drumming act. So that is that. Another one is welcome address, like when the person has come back or the group of those people have come back, they welcome such person and say káàbọ̀, ṣé dáadáa ló dé. It may be Àyànṣọlá, Àyànkórèdé, Àyànpọ́nmilé, Àyànfúnkẹ́. Wọ́n á tún sọ bí eléyìí pé they say Àyàngbáyé káàbọ̀, ṣé dáadáa ló dé. Àyàngbáyé, you are welcome, hope you arrived well. That is the meaning. We say many things on our drum in that area or in the family of Ayan. We say many things on our drum, not that we talk everything with our mouth. That is another activity in drumming. Yes, another one is hitting together in love, and you will smile on this one. And you know the reason they call us alájàjẹ. Wọ́n á sọ pé àwọn alájàjẹ tún ti dé. We hit in love in a circle like this from the same dish, and everybody will just be hitting, and you know the reason they call us alájàjẹ. We hit together, and this one will say, no, this one is taking big muscle now, this one is cheating me, this one, and there will be noise here and there. And they say àwọn alájàjẹ tún ti dé. No, it is not able now, it is not able. It is fun catching. We catch fun in those days, we catch fun from that area, and that is where we are brought up. My dear people, come with me. Yes. Another one, as I said, is getting to the occasion. As we have left our various houses now, and we have got to the occasion where we are going to entertain people. Let me sound it into your hearing now. A skillful drummer will never go out for money alone. Please take it. A skillful, the one that has integrity will never go out on drumming art because of money alone. A skillful drummer must go out with the attitude of entertaining, with the attitude of protecting his integrity prestigiously. You have to go there, and that is why my father was being given the praise name Alulumalutishe Ọmọ Ojúbánirẹ́, and that is my name as well. Alulumalutishe Ọmọ Ojúbánirẹ́. We don't play because of money. You don't play because of you want to earn money from anybody, and you play your drum prestigiously. I hammer it prestigiously. In the art of drumming, you don't do that. You don't just play because you want to earn money. For instance, when we play for a hunter in those days, our father will not collect money from hunters. Even they will say from their drum like this, "Bó fún mi lówó, n ò ní gbà." This is it. That is, if you give me money, I will not collect. What we are expecting that person to give us, being a hunter, is we are expecting that person to give us animal skin. Can you see that? Can you see that strategy? We are expecting that person, the hunter, to give us what? Animal skin. And also elderly people, those people that cannot walk, they are dependent. We play for them, we beat our drum for them, we entertain them, and we don't collect money from them. Can you see those strategies? Can you see those strategies? And those people will be praying for us. They will be praying for us. Even sometimes we give them money. after chanting their praise name, we still give them money. That Baba take this money, Mama take this money. That's one thing. That's another thing. Another one is when you are playing for a blacksmith. You don't collect money from blacksmith now. A blacksmith will always give you either cutlass or but if you collect money, it means you are not ready to collect that thing. That's it. That's one of the strategies our forefathers are using in those days. That is one of the strategies our forefathers are using in those days. It is all piled together. They are all piled together, and we call it familiar activities in drumming art. Another one is when you meet with another person, another set of drummers. When drummers meet another set of drummers, what did they say when they meet each other? What they say is awarawarirawa ológin ní rọmọ ẹkùn, awarawarirawa, and that is that is one. They also say ọmọ anigilaje ẹkú ìkàlẹ̀. They say that when they meet them on seats, maybe under one other tree, when they're under one other tree, taking their breaks there, taking their enjoying themselves doing the party there. They say àyànmọ́ anigilaje ẹkú ìkàlẹ̀, or you say that one is ẹ̀mà kú ìkàlẹ̀, àyàn ọmọ àgàlú, ẹ̀mà kú ìkàlẹ̀. And all those things are fun catching in drumming art. They are fun catching. You see each other, you greet each other in love. Those are the things. Yes. As I said the other time, after we might have entertained those people on that occasion, we have played the drum for this, for the kings, for all the people on the occasion, and we are set to go back home. What do we say? What do we do? What we say is àyàn ọmọ anigilaje ẹja relé ilé là lọ àdàdà dídì dáadáa 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 dídá dáadáa. This is it. Ẹja relé ilẹ̀ ń ṣú lọ, ilé ti yá ilẹ̀ ń ṣú lọ, and we all understand that word. The celebrant will even not understand it unless if he or she is highly skillful in the art of drumming language or drum language. We say it within ourselves there or among ourselves there, and then we understand that language, that coded language, the language of the drum. Àyàn ọmọ anigilaje ẹja relé ilẹ̀ ń ṣú lọ, and everybody picks his drum and we head to our house. On getting home, what do we say before we put down the drum? What do we say again? Another thing is that. Then we say ọ̀rọ̀ kọ̀kọ̀ ní gbangba ló wà, ẹ máa relé bàbá yín. Do you know the meaning of that? That is every hidden words, every backbite, all those ọ̀rọ̀ tí ò dá, they say it is highly in the open place. It is in open place. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìkọ̀kọ̀ ní gbangba ló wà, ẹ máa relé bàbá yín. Do you know the meaning of ẹ máa relé bàbá yín? Because whenever we are going home, people from outside, like especially the children, they will always follow us. They will always be following us. They will be following us until we get home. Then with the drum we have to say ọ̀rọ̀ ìkọ̀kọ̀ ní gbangba ló wà, ẹ máa relé bàbá yín. That is, all those children, go back to your father's home now. This is it. Again. Ọ̀rọ̀ kọ̀kọ̀ ní gbangba ló wà, ẹ ẹ máa relé bàbá yín and everything á dẹ̀ ṣe wẹ́lò kò sẹ́ni ẹnìkan ò tún gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe pólómọ́ àdẹ̀ọ́ra kó ìlú wọlé ó tó gẹ́ kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. My people, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Next edition will be great. Oh, nǹkan kì í síbẹ̀, it is thick. Do you know what? Do you know that? It is thick. Òkì ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Nǹkan kì í síbẹ̀, nǹkan kì í sẹ̀sẹ̀ ràgó fúnra ẹ̀ gan kọ́. Ẹran tó kì ni. We'll be talking extensively on each of these drums, and by next edition we'll be talking on dundun tall. Okay, number one should be the first. So by next edition we'll be talking about, or we'll be talking extensively on Igbe talking drum. Igbe Yoruba talking drum. Say it. Igbe Yoruba talking drum. Where do we use it? For who are we playing it for? Where did it come from? How did it look like? My people, we are coming your way in full force. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. My number is 0803 842 7239. Keep watching us till next edition. Bye.